The Ultra branding is officially coming to Galaxy watches with the introduction of the Galaxy Watch Ultra. This will be Samsung's first smartwatch under the Ultra brand, as confirmed by Thailand's National Broadcasting and Telecommunications Commission (NBTC). According to the NBTC's database reported by Smart Price, the upcoming Samsung smartwatch with model number SML705F will be named the Galaxy Watch Ultra. The provided image reveals that the Galaxy Watch Ultra is manufactured at Samsung Electronics factory in South Korea and was imported by Thai Samsung Electronics Co. Ltd. for testing. The model tested by the NBTC is the LTE variant, indicated by the number 5 at the end of its model number. There is also expected to be a Bluetooth-only variant, SML700F. According to an exclusive report from Android Headlines, both the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra will feature a new pentacore Exynos chip built with 3M technology. They will each have 32 gigs of internal storage as previously reported. Additionally, both models will include dual-frequency L1 plus L5 GPS, enhancing accuracy for outdoor activities like cycling and running. The Galaxy Watch 7 will come in two sizes, 40mm and 44mm, while the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra will be available in a single 47mm size. The OLED screen on the Galaxy Watch 7 boasts a peak brightness of 2000 nits, similar to the Galaxy Watch 6, whereas the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra screen will reach a peak brightness of 3000 nits. In terms of design and durability, the Galaxy Watch 7 will be offered in two colors, including green, and will feature an armor aluminum case. It will have an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, 5 ATM pressure resistance, and MIL-STD 810H compliance. The battery capacity will be 300 mAh from the 40mm version and 425 mAh from the 44mm version. The Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra will be available in three colors, including titanium gray. It will feature a Grade 4 titanium case, an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, and 10 ATM pressure resistance. It will also have three physical buttons, back, home, and quit button. The Ultra model will be powered by a 590 mAh battery. Both the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra will come in Bluetooth and Bluetooth plus LTE variants. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.